Hi, owl friends. It's Rochelle, and I want to play a little game with you today. And it's called I'm Thinking of a. And I'm going to give you some clues and some letter sounds. So put on your listening ears. Are you ready? Okay. I'm thinking of a food that starts with mm. Can you make that sound? Mm. And this is a food that you have to bake in the oven. And sometimes it's blueberry, sometimes it's banana. It could be all different kinds of flavors. What do you think it is? It's a food. And it's a muffin. M starts with a oops. Muffin starts with a M. I almost made a mistake on that one, didn't I? Okay, next up. This is something. Oh, I'm thinking of a plant, something that grows outside, and it's brown and green, and it has leaves on it, and it starts with a t, t sound. Can you make that sound? What do you think it is? Starts with a t, 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 and it grows outside, and it's brown and green and has leaves. What do you think? It's a tree. A t, t, tree starts with a T. Okay. You're getting really good at this. Okay, what's the next one? Ooh, this is going to be a good one. I'm thinking of an animal that also starts with a T sound. And it's a big cat that is orange and black, and it has stripes. What do you think it is? Starts with a t, 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 and it's orange and black, and it has stripes. Okay, I'm going to disappear and give you a surprise. It's a tiger. A tiger starts with a T, same as a tree. Rah. Can you roar like a tiger? Rah. You're doing so good. Okay, I'll take these off. What's the next one? Ooh, this is another animal. And it starts with a D, D, D sound. And it has 4 legs. And it could be small or big. And sometimes it goes. What animal am I thinking of? D, D, D. Okay, ready? I'm going to disappear again. It's my ears are kind of funny. It's a dog. A dog starts with a D. Can you make that sound? D. What other sounds does a dog make? Right, a barking noise. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Okay, what's going to be next? Ooh, this one is so tricky. So, it's also an animal, and they can be brown or white. And they have long ears and a little fuzzy tail. And they're really quiet. And they kind of move their nose like this. Oh, and here's the clue. The letter sound is like Rochelle. What animal could it be? They're really quiet. And they can be a pet. They start with the letter Okay, here I go again. It's a rabbit. Here's the picture. A rabbit starts with an R. And they have long ears. You can't see this one's tail, but it has a fuzzy tail. And they're really quiet. And sometimes they move their nose. Can you move your nose like that? Okay, let's say rabbit. All right, nice work. We're learning. Okay, next one is also an animal, but this one lives in the water. And you could have a small one as a pet. And the letter sound is. Can you do that? Kind of tickles your teeth. What do you think it is? I don't have any ears for this one, but I could make a face. It's a fish. Fish starts with F. Say it with me. Okay, let's review. Fish starts with. Can you think of another thing we talked about? Rabbit starts with what letter? R, right. And D. Dog starts with, what letter is this? D, right. And okay, what's next? Rawr. A tiger, let me get my ears, starts with a T. Yes. And what else starts with a T? Tree starts with a T. And last one, something yummy to eat. What letter? M. Muffin starts with M. Okay, those are just a few letters, but I'm wondering if you could look around your home and see if you see anything else that you could guess what letter sound it starts with. Okay, have fun playing with letters.